Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to set up my X Get Y Shopify discount. So let's get started. So in order to do that, first thing is do is we need to click on the discounts on our left sidebar right here. Now on this discount right here, we should be able to see all the discounts that we have. So what we can do is you can click on this create discount in here. And then in here, you can see this my X Get Y. So click on this right here. And then you have two options. It can be a discount code or automatic discount. So for me, I'll just choose discount code and I will put in here buy one, take one, which is B1T1. This will be my code. And in here, you can see that the customer buys a minimum quantity of items. So if they purchase 10 items from any specific products or specific collections, totally depends on you, or it can be on one collection only. So for example, I will only apply it on my t-shirt product. So I'll click on add right here. And if they buy 10 t-shirts, the customer will get specific amounts. For example, if they buy 10, they will get one more from the specific product that I have. So for example, for me, I'll just choose t-shirt for that. And I click on add right here. So they can get a discount value, but they can get it for free. So it can be a percentage, it can be amount of each, or it can be free. So the customer eligibility can be all customers, specific customer segments, and specific customers. So in here, I will just choose all customers, and on the maximum discount uses, it can be limit to one use only per customer. And this combination discount can be combined with shipping discounts. So it depends on you what you want to discount to it. So in here, I have this active date. You can choose a start date as well as a start time, and you can also set an end date. So once you're done with everything, just click on the save discount right here, and then this will save your discount, and you should be able to share it to your actual customers or post it on your actual website. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so please leave a like and subscribe because this helps me reach more people. See you soon.